Was it filming? Alright. This is Jesse Skirka being a fucking smart ass. It's so hard to film. Holy fuck!
You alright, dog? Yo, is he alright? Ask him. You okay?
He's good. My eyes are tearing up because it's so windy. It's so fucking shaky.
Get in, nigga. How was that, man?
That was so fucking cold, buddy.
Ah! Yeah, here, have no Henry. You survived.
Oh, shit.
Fuck, we're all alive, yes.
Fuck out of here.
How fast were you going?
Like that? I was doing like this whole time. Yeah.
Whoa!
You were in the back when it was like that.
Wow.
Yeah, it was fucked.
Put your seatbelt on.
See, it's way sketchier from the back. You'll see from this video. Holy shit! Toyotas are fucking boss, and this is sketchy here. There's a bridge coming up, remember.
Okay. Chill out, dog.
Alright.
The only reason I got back in because there's
Should we
bugs.
go in that way?
Bugs in your teeth?
Yeah.
Is that another trail over there,
I
guys?
don't know, man.
Let's
No?
get out of here. We're getting stuck.
Yeah, doing this in the dark would be hard.
Thrilling.
Yeah, that was like a roller coaster.
You should have come in the back, bro.
Yeah, bro. I wish I didn't do it. But
What?
I'm glad I did. Still filming. I'm getting car sick.
Why? You're a big baby.
No, I get car sick. That's up.
I get a little car sick too.
And in
I
the
never
back
get
seat,
car
it's
sick.
hard. So
No,
stop
even,
calling me a
even
baby because
driving,
I
I
give you a
get
shot.
car sick a little bit sometimes.
Yep.
Ben's crying away.
Yo, is that another trail?
Try it. Let's see.
That's the way to that town.
Go.
Skookum?
Let's go to Skookum. We're on our way to Skookum.
That's sick.
I hope it's not like a native reserve and everyone's gonna kill us. Nigga, don't fuck with me. Which way?
Swag,
Left. Try left. That's a little sick trail there. That's tight. Go left.
Go
It's
left.
a big field because of donuts. This is what the ones that might have been talking about.
Death Valley.
Ooh, it could be a good camp spot. It is. Campground right by the Bigfoot.
This is pretty tight, dude. We should fucking get a whole bunch of people and get really
We can go camping in Skookum.
Look, you can go down there.
Look, they shot the fucking.
Look, you can go down there. If you
Wait,
think you
there's
got the gun.
bullet holes in that?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's people working right there. I see them. The big truck. You hear it? Look at that. He's blowing the fuck up.
Okay, well, we're not getting shot, guys. Let's get the fuck out of here before some natives.
And there's a trail right there.
Not for a truck.
Before some natives fucking.
Swag.